There's something special about a summer garden. It doesn't have to be large. It doesn't have to be perfectly designed. Sometimes, the most beautiful gardens are the ones that grow naturally. One flower, one pot, and one little corner at a time. A quiet place filled with green leaves, colorful blooms, warm sunlight, and the simple feeling of being at home. Today, let's step into a collection of beautiful summer garden ideas and discover how even the smallest backyard can become a peaceful garden escape. A small backyard can hold more beauty than we might imagine. With a few flowering plants, some colorful pots, and plenty of greenery, even the simplest outdoor space can begin to feel completely transformed. Plants bring softness to wooden decks, life to quiet corners, and color to spaces that might otherwise feel forgotten. And sometimes, more natural and abundant a garden feels, the more inviting it becomes. Summer is the perfect time to let the garden become full of color. Flowers spill from pots. Hanging baskets bring blooms to eye level, and every empty corner becomes another opportunity for something beautiful to grow. There is no need for everything to match perfectly. Different pots, different heights, different textures. Together, they create a garden that feels personal, natural, and full of life. Every garden needs a place to pause, a simple chair beneath the trees, a small table surrounded by flowers, or a weathered wooden deck hidden among the greenery. The most charming gardens are not always the most perfect ones. A slightly weathered wooden deck, a collection of mismatched pots, flowers growing in unexpected places, and plants filling every available corner. These small details give a garden its personality. They make it feel loved, they make it feel lived in, and they remind us that a beautiful garden does not need to look like a magazine. Sometimes the most beautiful garden is simply the one that feels like your own. Surrounded by trees, flowers, and layers of green, even a small backyard can begin to feel like a private escape, a place away from the noise of everyday life, a place to enjoy a quiet morning, a warm summer afternoon, or a peaceful evening surrounded by flowers. You don't need a huge garden to create this feeling. Sometimes, all it takes is one small corner, a few plants, and the desire to make your outdoor space feel special. A beautiful summer garden doesn't have to be perfect. It simply needs to feel alive, with flowers growing freely, greenery filling the space, and a cozy corner waiting for you to sit down and enjoy it. So whether you have a large backyard, a small patio, or just one little corner for a few plants, there is always a way to create your own garden escape. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with us. If you love beautiful gardens, cozy outdoor spaces, and rustic inspiration, subscribe to Pure Rustic Decoration for more beautiful ideas. Until next time, keep growing beauty around you.